You're rushing out the door and the vacuum's already cleaning the floors, the coffee is brewing, and your lights turn off just as you leave. These devices each handle a different part of your day, freeing you from the routine. Number 1. Eufy Robot Vacuum. Tackle pet hair, dust, and dirt without lifting a finger. The Eufy RoboVac G30's powerful 2000 Pascal suction and Boost IQ technology ensure no mess is left behind. Whether on carpets or hard floors, its Dynamic Navigation 2.0 keeps it on track, while the infrared sensors help avoid obstacles. Control everything from your phone or with Alexa and Google Assistant. Its ultra-slim profile allows it to glide under furniture, keeping your entire home spotless. Perfect for daily cleaning without the noise. Number 2. Kasa Smart Plug. Automate your electronics with the Kasa Smart Plug. Whether you're home or away, you can turn devices on and off from your phone. Use voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant to control lights, fans, or even holiday decorations. Schedule appliances to turn on and off when needed, reducing energy consumption with away mode. It's a simple yet powerful way to cut down on unnecessary electricity usage without even thinking about it. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Smart Coffee Maker. Your morning just got smoother. The Hamilton Beach Smart Coffee Maker brews 12 cups, works with Alexa, and is programmable through your phone. Set routines for wake-up coffee or change brew strength with a simple voice command. Its auto shut-off feature kicks in after 2 hours, adding safety and peace of mind when you're on the go. With a front-fill reservoir, it's convenient and hassle-free, making mornings easier than ever. Number 4. BlitzHome Smart Dishwasher. Dishwashing simplified. The BlitzHome Smart Dishwasher is compact yet large enough to hold up to 6 sets of tableware. Equipped with 6 programs including Eco Mode, it saves water and energy while ensuring thorough cleaning. With 360 degrees dual spray technology, it gets into every nook and cranny, delivering spotless dishes every time. The real-time app control lets you schedule or monitor cycles from anywhere, freeing up more time for yourself. Number 5. Yoolax Smart Window Solar Shades. Stay cool while keeping the view. Yoolax motorized window shades filter light and block UV rays, protecting your furniture while maintaining airflow. With Alexa compatibility, control your shades with a voice command or set schedules to optimize light and privacy throughout the day. Customizable sizes ensure the perfect fit for your space, blending convenience with modern design. Now that your home is automated, it's time to save power too. Keep watching for energy-saving appliances. 5 must-have tools for saving power to take the next step in efficiency.